friends, this is Shannon, also known as Paper Craft Bliss on YouTube and also Instagram. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I'm in a group called the Crafty Girls of Instagram, and this particular swap is a Halloween box. So I received my box today from Jennifer, and it was wrapped up so cute in this little pouch. It has the yellow dots everywhere and some black and white striped washi. So I took this off just to make it easier to start doing the unboxing. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Drum roll. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, nice. I like this tissue paper. Very festive. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love how this is packaged. Look at that. All right. First of all, let's see, where do I start? Oh my goodness. Obviously, I'll start with the candy. Haha. Little chocolates. And there's these really cool leaves. They're like a kind of a shiny, smooth surface. There's leaves and a pumpkin. Different shaped leaves. Those are nice. Oh, a bunch of leaves in here. Very nice. Okay. Here's a little shaker with an owl on a tree. That's very cute. Put that here. Ooh, some washi. It looks like there's a skeleton. Witch's feet and the white and black stripes. Very nice. Of course, pens, green and orange for Halloween colors. More leaves. And, ooh, some stickers. Looks like some fall stickers. This looks like it might be from one of the Happy Planner books. I don't have this one, but I recognize the art. That's very cool. Oh, what are these? Oh, okay, like little borders for scrapbooking and crafting. There's a card. More candy. Happy Halloween. That'll be fun to send. Oh my goodness, another one. This is so cute. The squirrels, the witch and the cowboy. Trick or treat, happy Halloween. I'll have fun sending these to my friends who live out of state. Okay, now let's open the little package here. Pretty black envelope. Oh, I see, it's 2 black envelopes that I can use to send something to someone else. And here's a little orange package. Let's see what's inside. I don't want to rip the bag. Okay. Aw, how cute. The little witch's broom. Very retro owl. I love, love, love retro. Silver leaf. Oh, and nice. Another retro. Says admit one. It's like a ticket to a Halloween party. Boo to you. I like that. And another witch's broom. That is so cute. And the tag says Halloween box, Crafty Girls of Instagram, Jennifer Yu from Swapbot. Okay, so let's see what's in this little package. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I think she painted this. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Very nice. It's on a canvas. Well, that is so cool. I love everything. Thank you so much, Jennifer. And happy Halloween to you. Happy Halloween to everyone. I might be having to share this candy with my husband. I think he heard me say candy, so Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching.